Alright everyone, so I'm in my backyard right now. What's everything? What the? Is that money? Wait, is that money? Is this money? This is money. Is it raining money? It's raining money, guys. See? Let's take all this. Hey, bad puppy. This is mine. I get all this. I'm gonna be rich. So much money. I don't know when it's gonna stop, but there's a lot of cash. Just cash falling out of the sky. I mean, look at this stack of ones. It's like a lot of money. I don't know. The sky's pretty clear today. It's just raining money. That makes no sense. My stack of cash is getting bigger. Probably. Why did it fell on my back? This is probably the most weird weather change ever. Let's go put my stack of cash here. Or we go and find more.
Auntie, Zachary, is that you?
Yeah, that's me. I'm filming a video.
Oh my gosh, pretty funny.
I know.
Oh, did it stop?
I don't know. Maybe it did. The sky probably ran out of money.
Yeah, maybe the sky has a budget.
Yeah. This is the weirdest weather occurrence in my backyard ever. How does it make sense?
Well, see, the sky, each cloud has rain in it. And one raindrop that you pay $1 for.
I know, but it's a pretty short rain. It only rained in the range of around here to around here.
Why?
Maybe it's only in our backyard because I didn't see it go anywhere over there. So. That's a stack of cash I got. Check this. Look, we are not lying. It legitimately just rained money from out of the sky.
We wouldn't use our money because we could lose it.
But legitimately, this is the weirdest weather occurrence I have ever seen. I mean.
Peace out.